If your shrimp scampi has ever come out watery, bland, or just not restaurant quality, this is the video that fixes that. Today, I'm showing you how to make a rich, buttery, garlic-packed shrimp scampi with the exact techniques chefs use to build flavor fast. And the best part? This comes together in under 20 minutes. Most people don't realize this. Shrimp scampi is one of the simplest dishes to make, but also one of the easiest to get completely wrong. Watery sauce, rubbery shrimp, no real depth of flavor. That's not scampi. Today, I'm going to show you how chefs turn a few simple ingredients into something that tastes like it came out of a restaurant kitchen. Let's start with what you'll need, and more importantly, what actually matters. You'll need large shrimp, peeled and deveined, fresh garlic, don't substitute powder here, unsalted butter, olive oil, dry white wine or chicken stock, fresh lemon juice, red pepper flakes, fresh parsley, salt and black pepper, and pasta if you want to serve it the classic way. Use large or jumbo shrimp. Smaller shrimp overcook fast and don't give you that juicy restaurant-style bite. Before anything hits the pan, here's where most people go wrong. Pat your shrimp completely dry. Moisture is the enemy of a good sear. Then season lightly with salt and pepper. Don't overseason yet. The sauce is where most of your flavor is going to build. And here's the difference. We're not just cooking, we're building layers of flavor. Every step you're about to see has a purpose. Heat a pan over medium-high heat. Add olive oil and just a touch of butter. Once hot, add your shrimp in a single layer. Don't crowd the pan. Let them cook undisturbed for about 1 to 2 minutes per side. You're looking for that light golden edge, not rubbery, not overcooked. Listen to that. That sound right there. That's what you want. That means your pan is hot enough to create flavor, not just cook shrimp. Shrimp cook fast. Once they curl into a tight C shape, they're done. If they turn into an O shape, you've gone too far. Remove the shrimp and set them aside. Now we build the flavor. In the same pan, lower the heat slightly and add butter and garlic. Let the garlic gently cook, not burn. You want it fragrant, not bitter. Add red pepper flakes, then pour in your white wine. Let it simmer and reduce slightly. This is where the magic happens. Scrape the bottom of the pan. That's where all the flavor lives. Finish with fresh lemon juice for brightness. This step, right here, this is where most home cooks miss it, because this isn't just a sauce. This is where everything comes together. Now bring your shrimp back into the pan. Toss everything together so the shrimp soak up that sauce. If you're using pasta, add it now and toss to coat. Finish with fresh parsley and a final touch of butter for richness. Turn off the heat before adding that last bit of butter. This keeps the sauce smooth and silky, not greasy. Plate it up immediately. Shrimp scampi is best served hot and fresh. You should have a glossy, buttery sauce, perfectly cooked shrimp, and that bright, fresh aroma hitting you right away. Glossy, buttery, balanced. That's shrimp scampi the way it's supposed to be. If you want to learn how to cook like this, real techniques, real results, right from your own kitchen, subscribe to Angel Culinary Kitchen, because restaurant-quality food shouldn't stay in restaurants. And if this helped you level up your cooking, hit that like button and let me know what you want to learn next. Be sure to check out our sister channel, Bible Scripture Lives, for the Bible in cinematic form with inspiring thoughts to help you navigate your life today.